1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and 1005. Well, brothers and sisters, what do you know? I got myself 3 subscribers. How do you like that? I like it very, very much. Thanks for asking. It makes me wonder if there were such a thing as subscribing by mistake. Or better yet, brothers and sisters, if there were such a thing as subscribing while under the influence. You honour, me and my boys had a few pints for the road, and then when I got home, I don't know what in the world possessed me. I just clicked subscribe button. But, Your Honour, there was no intention whatsoever on my part. I can see it. 3 subscribers, brothers and sisters. Congratulations to me. Way to go. Come to think of it, I'm only 997 subscribers away from being sponsored. I'm practically there. Of course, there is no magic about number 1000, but in my fantasy world, it's some sort of Rubicon. Once you're past 1000 subscribers, you're on the whole different level. That's how I imagine it. But there is only one way to find out. Since, as you can clearly see, well, I for once can clearly see, the incoming sponsorship is imminent. I'd like to talk again about the prop firms that I like. Yes, I do like a couple of them. As I mentioned before, I do have some experience in the futures prop firm space, and on the futures prop firm side I do have my favourites, Topstep and Take Profit Trader. No, I'm not sponsored by either Topstep or Take Profit Trader. It's a documented fact. Well, not yet at least. I don't get anything material for saying good things about them. So there is no funny games here. I genuinely like those two, and I like them for very concrete reasons. So I want to go over these reasons one more time. Topstep and Take Profit Trader are the only 2 futures prop firms that, to my knowledge, certifiably will put you in the real market once you get funded. With the rest, it's all shrouded in mystery, and for the most part, even after you get funded, you'll be trading on a simulator essentially against other challenge participants. It's a rather shady practice from my perspective. So, that's reason number 1 that I recommend Topstep and Take Profit Trader. Another reason is that those are the only 2 prop firms to my knowledge that have dedicated trade desks. There is actually a phone number that you can call if things go south for you. For example, if your internet is out, or you're living in a cave with the walls, and there is a power outage. You can actually call the trade desk and they will close your trades for you. To my knowledge, no other prop firms, besides those 2, have dedicated trade desks. Last but not least, those companies are the gold standard in terms of how they handle data interruptions. Yes, those things do happen. They don't happen all too often, but they do happen from time to time. And as they say, a friend in need is a friend indeed. I like to paraphrase it as the ones who aren't your friends in need aren't your friends at all. So, for example, when there are data interruptions, Topstep will give their challenge participants free resets. With other prop firms, in my experience, when there are data interruptions, they will give you a fat middle finger. Yeah, that's all you'll get from them. That's a sad reality. And there is more. There are plenty of prop firms out there that go around screaming and yelling about their low monthly subscription fees. But, brothers and sisters, there is a catch. Actually, there are catches, plural. One catch is their activation fee. You know, when those firms go around spitting saliva about their low prices, there is no mention of a hefty activation fee down the road for you. That's because those companies aren't trading with you. They are trading against you. They don't even mention what happens when you actually complete their challenge, because to them this is a far-fetched, undesirable event. They are only interested in you failing your challenges and paying your subscription fees indefinitely. That's their only interest. But in the off-chance event that you do complete your challenge, they have a huge surprise in store for you. Now, you're going to pay one-time activation fee. Of course, non-refundable. That is more than 10 times more expensive than your monthly subscription fee. Brothers and sisters, use your heads. Please use your heads. It helps. There is even more. Again, imagine you do complete your challenge. If you do, you are directed to sign an agreement with them. And what do you see in that agreement? brothers and sisters, there is a lot of fine print that they intentionally don't mention to you when they go around spitting saliva all over the place about their low monthly subscription fees. They don't say anything about the hidden consistency rules for their funded accounts. No, sir. Suddenly, they are talking about how they don't want gamblers, lucky traders, windfall traders. Oh, they wanted all those for their evaluation. Please, everybody, we don't care who you are. Just pay, and pay more. Now it's your turn to get paid, or so you naively think. And suddenly you're inundated with all these new rules. Brothers and sisters, please, be smart about it. They literally say that they don't want lucky traders. What in the world does this even mean? Well, if you are lucky, for example, and you catch a runner and it's running and you get a nice fat profit, or so you think naively, they're going to nullify this trade. Yeah, they will. They don't say anything about that when they take your subscription fees. Oh no, there is no mention of it. You might think that they play fair. You see, those companies never put you in the real market. They always keep you on the simulator, and on rare occasions that you do complete your challenge and you successfully trade on your funded account, they will use every trick they can think of in order to avoid paying you. Brothers and sisters, keep this in mind. Those companies pay you out off challenge account fees they collect from other traders. So, when they pay you, that cuts into their profit, and they don't want it. They do everything under the sun not to do that. Neither Topstep nor Take Profit Trader do that. Why? Because they put you in the real market. So, when you make money, they make money. The other prop firms lose money when you make money. That's the key difference. So, if you have a runner and you're making a nice fat profit, that's when Topstep and Take Profit Trader also make nice fat profit. That's why they don't have hidden rules against it like the others. That is a very fundamental, principal difference between Topstep and Take Profit Trader and, to my knowledge, the rest of them. Topstep and Take Profit Trader trade with you, the rest trade against you. So keep this in mind. Be smart about a few hard-earned dollars that you have. Don't give it to scummers. Give it to people who are rooting for you, people who are interested in your success, not in your failure. All right, that's all I have to say about it. Now, let's review my trades quickly. Let's see where I'm standing. Okay, I have 3 trades open. Oops, now I have 2 trades open. One of them on S&P 500 index just closed with a profit, so it's all good. But let's see. Let's be methodical about it. Let's look closely at S&P 500. So my trade that I was trailing just hit the trailing stop. It's all good. It's all intentional. It's not an accident. It's to be expected sooner or later, but I think I can enter here. I like to put horizontal lines for my stops and profits. Why? Because I like to use copy and paste for setting my stop loss and take profit. So, here is our new trader just placed. All right, moving on. Euro US dollar. Okay, at the moment we are at a loss. Nothing dramatic. Nothing catastrophic. It's all according to a plan. So, we shall see how it plays out. It goes our way, great. But if it doesn't, that's fine too. Let's look at gold. Well, there is this nice volume bump on the volume profile. Again, I'm using horizontal lines so that I can copy and paste. I love copy and paste, don't you? Who doesn't? Here is our trade on gold. Okay, here is the moment you've been waiting for. Bad boy Bitcoin, he's a bad boy, isn't he? We are in the profitable trade and we will be trailing it. Yes, we will, no matter what anyone else says. We are trailing. End of story. That's how I play it. You play it differently. By all means, be my guest. But this is my way. Brothers and sisters, that's all I got for you for today. Keep it up. Before you know, you'll be a billionaire. Peace out.